Hello guys, POCO has officially launched the POCO C31 in India, after teasing it for the past few days. The new device from the brand can be considered as a tweaked version of POCO C3 from last year. The only addition the latest model brings is a fingerprint sensor. POCO C31 specifications and features. POCO C31 is almost identical to POCO C3. The only major difference between the two is the presence of a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor on the former. Further, the newer handset arrives in two colors, royal blue, shadow gray, instead of three. Other than the above-mentioned factors, the POCO C31 is a POCO C3 inside out. Hence, it sports the same 6.53-inch LCD panel with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels, HD+, 29 aspect ratio, and a dewdrop notch. It is powered by a MediaTek Helio G35 SoC paired with 3GB 4GB LPDDR4X RAM and 32GB 64GB M5.1 storage. The device houses a triple camera setup on the back consisting of a 13MP primary sensor, 2MP macro snapper, and 2MP depth sensor. On the front, it nests a 5MP selfie camera inside the notch. As for connectivity, the phone supports dual SIM, 4G, Gold, Wi-Fi, single band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0. On the software front, it runs MIUI 12 based on Android 10. Other features of the handset include a dedicated microSD card slot, P2i nano coating for splash resistance, a 3.5mm